Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily change language on XIAOMI Projector. So first, open up settings. Now scroll down until you see system. Click on language. Here you guys can change your language. I'll set it to Polish for an example. As you guys can see, everything now is in Polish, and if I want to change it back, then I'll go here and scroll to the English, United States, and now it's all done. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye.